Okay.
Okay, so first I have few questions. The first one, where you start the full analysis? Which time frame?
Normally, I start in monthly and after weekly.
Okay, what we are looking on the monthly and the weekly time frame?
Direction, trend line, pattern, Fibo.
All right, so why you need those three things on the bigger picture?
Because I need to understand what is the direction of the market,
Yes,
and
correct.
to know what the market needs to do to complete the pattern.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, so here is the trend line.
Yes.
Please put Fibo from here to here. Okay, perfect. And now I'm started on your screen. Guys, please mute your microphone. Okay, so this is what you can see on the smaller time frame. The Fibo what you placed, it's on the bigger time frame. So basically, you are looking to short. Where is the place where you are looking to go short and why?
My analysis is like this. I put this here and I wait the market near to the trend line. Maybe in this area.
Okay.
That is very difficult. You put this difficult for me. Thanks.
Okay, so basically first, so on this place the market was still bearish.
Yes, but
you can find
I wait the trend line, this trend line break first.
Okay, just wait a little bit.
Yeah.
So you can find the red small trend line is break. So overall, the market is bearish. We know exactly. So we are still looking to go short on the 7860.
Yes.
Or on the 61.80. So you can find the small trend line break on this place. We wait the retest and we know exactly it will be continue to the upside. So start pushing back to the downside. What you can find?
I wait the green candle here in this zone to put this Fibo. Sorry, I don't understand the question.
Okay, so you can find you can find the trend line break.
Yes.
And retest it, and it's create the inverse head and shoulder.
Yes.
So we know exactly the market is still overall bearish, but now we are waiting the price come on the 61.80 or on the 7860.
Yes.
We are looking to go short, continue with the bigger time frame.
Yes.
To the downside. Okay, so you can find it's bounced on the 61.80 and it start pushing to the upside.
And if here is the green candle, I put this Fibo and is another confirmation.
Okay, so you can find the price start pushing to the upside. But something missing on your chart, what is that?
Trend line. And it's just the Fibo.
Okay,
here,
what can you find now?
Here, the connection with minus 27 and 618 in the same zone.
Okay, so you can find the price. So the move is continue.
and I
Always
see
continue.
here the big bullish,
Okay.
the bullish end to finish the pattern.
Okay, now this is what you can find. What is the next step?
Next step, wait the red candle here and adjust the trend line, but I don't like this setup. I like to see broke and retest.
Okay, so this move looks like the on the rear chart the currently move. So if you can find this one, it's up the 61.80 and the 78.60. What are you doing?
I'm waiting.
Instead, or please do the rest of things what you need for the real short trade.
The real short trade, I need a move down, break this higher low, yes, lower high, and after I need the retest.
Okay, so the important things, it's right, it's up the 61.80 and the minus 27, but we have two counter trend line. So the first counter trend line, this one, it's looking much stronger than the currently because it's very close. So possible the trend line, the small counter trend line break, retested, and after it stopped on this level, But we are still not in the trade. We need to wait, you're right, this counter trend line break to the downside, because if you put the Fibo on the last leg, so basically from low to high, you can find this counter trend line and the 61.80, 78, 60 lines up with the counter trend line and it's still above. So the must save things if we are waiting for this counter trend line break, because we can find many times on the rear chart. So everything is connecting, but the market makers know exactly. Many people try to go long, or sorry, try to go short on this region because pattern, trend line, and Fibo confirmation, but they really like to manipulating the market. So what they doing? Just a little bit fake breakout. So this is why really important we need to follow the move.
Yes,
so
it's like growth in the last week.
Yeah. So basically you can find this one. Same happened on gold. It's created the inverse and shoulder, but the counter trend line it was still there. But after the counter trend line break, so basically this move it's happened. I'm start to draw with red one. So this is what you can find. What is the next step?
May I leave this figure?
Okay, let's put it back, please. Let's put it back first.
Sorry.
Something missing from your chart. What is that?
Yes.
Take profit.
Sorry.
Okay, now you can delete. Okay, let's figure out what was the move. So you can find the price. Sorry, I drew it's too small, but I hope you are understand. So you can find the price bounced on the 61.80 on the smaller time frame. What was the final move?
It's minus 27 or minus 61.
Okay, so yeah, the momentum was strong. So this is why the price stopped on the minus 68, not on the minus 27. Okay, now what is the next step?
The next step is wait.
Wait. I start to do something.
Green candle.
Correct.
I put this figure here to here, and I wait the start like the pattern, and after I enter here because the counter trend line is broke and retest and target in the daily in minus 27.
Okay, so the price start moving to the upside. On this situation, where are you looking to go short? On the 61.80 or on the 78.60?
It's difficult because it's it's
Small?
small, but I
Let's check
I
in the
wait, I wait
horizontal.
the first price candle to finish close. It's for me, it's terrible.
Okay.
Maybe I lost the trade because the red candle go down too fast and that's it.
Okay. So basically, you're waiting the move happened, and you can find 78.60, so we can enter the trade. So basically on this time, we have every confirmation what we need. So the first one was direction. So it's weekly. We can find on the weekly trend line, pattern, and Fibo. Can you see what I drew on your screen?
No.
Okay, give me a second. Maybe I need to. Now?
Yes.
Okay, so weekly or monthly trend line, pattern, Fibo. So I'll show you with the red lines. So it was the pattern on the bigger time frame. It was the Fibo and it was the trend line. So that's all what we need on the weekly, and we find it. The next one on the smaller time frame, so basically on the H4, we have trend line. Trend line. We have the pattern. Fibo.
I can see in my screen, sorry.
Give me just a second.
Sorry.
Fibo trick. Can you see it now?
Yes.
All right. I show you again. So basically, we have the trend line. It's the same on the smaller time frame. After we have the pattern, so the head and shoulder, and after we have a Fibo high to low and the Fibo trick, low to high. So the minus 27 is lines up with the 68. Okay, and after the smaller time frame, so basically on the H1, we have the same things, the trend line, we have the pattern, we have a counter trend line, break, and retest, and we have Fibo and line chart.
But one question, Ben. In the last week in the gold, sometimes in the small time frame H1, we have a trend line in H4, and when we pass to H1, we adjust the trend line, and trend line broke, and the market continues to go up and up and up and up and up, and it, it's better to wait not adjust the trend line, the H4 trend line to H1 and wait the H4 trend line broke, or it's better to adjust this trend line to H1.
Can you show me exact situation?
Yes.
Okay, just give me just a second. We finish with this one, and after we are.
Okay.
Okay, so we looking to take the short on the 7860 because we have all of the confirmation what we have. So we know the right direction. We have the on the H for the trend line pattern Fibo trick. And after we are going on the H1, we have the trend line pattern. We have also counter trend line, break and retest on the counter trend line. And after the Fibo and the line chart entry. So that's all what we need for the perfect trade.
Can you put the picture here?
Yeah,
Please.
just give me a second. I'm trying to move the mics. Okay, so we have entry point the 7860 and the price starts pushing to the downside. The first move it's complete on the minus 27 and after start pushing back and then continue.
That's
Huge drop, yes?
I'm sorry, I just wanted to say something. I don't know if you saw it from last week. My silver trade was really similar to the structure that you guys.
Yeah, go same too. But first, this is why I'm talking from exactly from this one, because after I show this situation, and we figure out, or you figure out alone what was the move, you need to understand what happened. And you know, it's much easier if I show you with simple lines than I'm going straight away on the candlestick chart. So this is why I'm start here. So after you can find the smaller time frame take profit stop, but the momentum was still strong, so we really can find another opportunities. But here we get the nice opportunity. So the first green candle closed. What is the next step? What are you doing?
The Fibo?
No, not the Fibo.
Sorry. First trend line.
Okay. And after, what is the second step? And the other one, high to low. You can delete this Fibo, we don't need anymore. Okay, so Fibo from high to low.
Yes, high to low.
No, it's low to high.
Sorry.
Okay, what you can find?
It's all right. That's the trend line is here and contract trend line not break.
Okay.
I wait.
And now?
Head and shoulder, yes. Now
Okay.
I'm ready to go short.
All right, perfect. And first step. And so we have this point, we have to trade. First one, second one.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Like all. Yeah. I
Yeah,
understand
okay.
now.
Have you any question, guys?
But I have a question.
Yes.
It's the same question. If the market go a little, continues this move and broke this trend line, you adjust this trend line like this. But
yes, I adjusted this one.
Now
but you know, wait just a second. So many times it's happened. So it looks like it's rejecting, start pushing to the downside, but after the currently trend line break to the upside. So what we need to do, we need to adjust the trend line on the bottom. So basically here it's correct. You know how the market move up, down, up. And after you need to use another one.
And yes, it's and the distance, this distance, so this distance here is so small. The risk reward is not very good, and it's because I like to see broke and trend line. What's your opinion about this?
Yeah, if the distance is very small from here to here, I'm definitely not taking the trade.
You don't take this trade.
Wait, this is the first reason. And the other one, try to answer. So overall it's bearish, it's not questioned. But what is the currently move?
The current is bullish.
Okay, so the price looks like create this trend line. So we know exactly the huge move happened after its break, retest, and before it's still possible on this place, it's bounced and continue to the upside.
Yeah.
So this is what it's more safe. Wait, this one, the one of the things, the risk reward is it's not the best, and the current remove, it's still bullish.
Yes, I do some back testing, and this distance, this to his is 2 days, like 2 days, 4 hours.
Yeah. Okay, so after the final move, it's happened. So break, retest, and continue all the way down to the -27. So we have the first entry point from here and the second one from here, and the target is achieved. Okay, that's all. Have you any question?
Now you're answering my question here about gold.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Oh yeah, okay. For the first move, you see is it possible to use a Fibo trick to enter the trade?
We already used the Fibo trick.
No, as in, cause when the Fibo trick is formed, there will be a counter trend line automatically formed, correct?
Say again, please.
When you find a Fibo trip, there will always be a counter trend line form. Okay, can I draw? Hold on.
Just draw it on the side here.
So how do you draw on the screen? It's under where?
You need to select the annotated button somewhere.
Sorry, give me a moment.
At the top, click View Options, the drop-down menu, and then go down to Annotate.
Right. Thanks, man.
Be sure to delete it though, otherwise it'll stay on.
Okay, so it's the Fibo trick like that, right? Then there'll be a counter trend line form. So do we have to wait for this line to break, or can we enter at this level?
No, okay, how many times did you try to enter here?
Quite a few times.
Okay, how many times tapped out?
A lot also.
Okay, what do you think about it? Is it a good idea?
Here.
So always must wait for the break.
Here is the reason. So we need to take the best setup and not the best entry. So possibly you catch the perfect entry on this point, but after the price bounce, because here is the counter trend line and it's already once respected.
Okay.
So this is why we need to wait more confirmation. If the price coming here, we know exactly overall it's still bearish, and so on this time we just have a yellow light. It's still possible bounce on this level and pushing to the upside. But after this one, it's break, retest, it's not question, it's continue to the downside.
Okay, thank you.
If Mr. Trump not tweeting something shit.
I have a question, Ben.
Yes.
Thank you.
No. Wait. Yes.
Okay.
You wait always. This point is the higher low break.
Yes, I'm here.
You wait this higher low break and retest.
No, don't wait, because many times it's exactly stabbed on this level because it's already become support and resistance.
Yes,
but sometimes
there are a weak break.
Yeah.
And now. You understand?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I use the same. It doesn't matter if it's up on the neckline or a little bit lower. and wait the retest on the counter trend line, Fibo from high to low, and I take the short.
Yes, but you take aggressively. You are so have a lot of experience, and I don't have this experience.
No worries, take time. You know, you are on the right way. You finished in 5% profit, and it was 1 week. So you just need to calculate with 4 times, and after you
20%.
Yeah, so
It's very good.
Yeah, it is with 1% risk.
Yes.
Okay, guys, have you any question from this scenario, or we can continue on the real chart?
Yeah, Ben.
Just one question, Benz.
Yes.
In the last example, you told us that there were 2 trades. The take profit levels are the same for both of them?
Yeah, so you know, if you are under on the H1 and you use the H1 risk reward, I share 100%, it's less than 1 to 3. So first target minus 27 on the H4, and after it's depends how big is your account. So basically on this scenario, if your account not so big, and if you are happy with the profit on this level, you can take some, because you know there is the previous low, and many times the price rejecting on it and making bigger pullback.
I follow what you say. Always take the profit in the H4 because my account is not big, and I missed the trade in the last week in CJ. So it's no problem. I go out in the H4 and the price take profit in the daily.
Yeah.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay, no question. Let's go on the no more question. Let's go on the real chart. So let's go on gold.
Gold. Okay.
Sorry, Vince.
Who you are?
Yeah, one last question. If there's no counter trend line, sorry, I was zoning out.
Okay.
If there was no counter trend line, can we just take the trade without a counter trend line break? If we cannot draw a counter trend line.
So you can find counter trend line.
Yeah, if you cannot find a counter trend line, can we just take the trade after the pattern and Fibo form?
No, you can't, but it's impossible. You lost, because without counter trend line, it is just the yellow line. So the green, it's not there. So basically, you can go.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, hi,
how-
I'm Michal.
Step by step, guys.
Okay.
Okay, you can start. I'm Michelle.
Okay.
How are you?
I wanted to ask whether, I'm sorry, this is not about the chart or something like this, but I wanted to ask if you were something like think about that, if you could record like several your trades, how you took them, how
when did you start to join the Zoom?
Sorry, I entered right now because I was out.
All right, so I start with this thing. So I recording everything for next week, and I will publish with you what I'm trading, what was the behind the setups, and how I manage the trade.
Perfect, because it was my idea a long time, and I wanted to ask you. Perfect, love it. Thank you.
So this is the plan for next week.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry for interrupting.
No, fine, it's fine. Okay,
Thanks.
who was the other person?
Can I just ask a quick question?
Yes, let's do it.
Yeah, you see when you get your entries right, and you use the line, chart. You see on the line chart, there's so many different parts of this chart that's going up and down. How do you know the exact part in where to take the entry?
What is your name on Telegram?
I show you.
What is your name on Telegram?
Let me just find out for you. 2 seconds.
You don't know what is your name on Telegram?
Speak with me?
No, with the other guy.
Oh, sorry. My name is Luis.
I know what is your name, no worries. But But you know, I'm testing now something. I
Sorry.
will tell you. So what is your name? Hello.
Someone said it's a scam.
Yeah, of course. He's left.
Eserto.
Yeah. I know this one, guys. Yeah. You know, somebody shared the fucking links and everything.
He was just on the group as Aman. His name was Aman, and then he's just vanished.
Interesting. Yeah, I don't have this type of members. Okay, it's fine. Let's continue.
Okay.
This is the sad part. You pay for everything and the other one just join. And I guess few more left here. Okay, so basically, let's figure out what was the move on gold. So you know exactly it was bearish and the price started pushing back to the upside. So the direction, we already know the direction, so weekly, and so on the weekly the trend line break retested, and it was the first move. So please let's figure out everything from the first step. Okay, let's start with trend line. Can you hear me? We can't hear you.
Sorry, I mute.
It's fine, always.
Okay, I put the trend line, and you can see, we can see the trend line is broken, rejected, and after it will like.
Let's go back on the daily because you can find a little bit more better. So basically, you can start from.
I have the analysis.
Yeah,
yes,
it's fine.
I have the analysis and
So I just want
the pattern.
Yeah. So now we just want to figure out exactly what we did on the previous analysis. So weekly, guys. So this is the weekly trend line. You know exactly the trend line break retested. So the direction changing from bullish to bearish.
Bearish.
Correct. So first step, it's okay.
Trend
Let's
line,
see the second one.
Pattern.
Okay. I show you something else. This is how I find it.
Okay, yeah. I draw the big pattern. Sorry.
Wait, so we're just talking from this scenario at the moment, and after we figure out what was last week.
Okay.
It's so funny. He shit in the pants and run. Okay. High to low. Okay, what you can find?
I can find it is break the trend line and go back to the trend line here in the 618. And
okay.
after.
What was the first move? Where is the first move complete on the bigger time frame?
Minus 27.
Correct. Okay, so we know the direction. First move happened, minus 27. We know exactly many times, 80% of the time, if the bigger picture, minus 27, it's achieved. We're waiting for the bigger
pullback.
Yeah, okay, so this is what you can see from here. What is the next step after the first green candle goes to the upside?
Put the Fibo.
Correct.
And this is
target.
Target.
Excellent.
Okay. Wait, put this trend line. And here in daily.
You leave it this trend line. You just figure out the pattern. So we know the direction and we are now looking to enter. Figure out what is the move, where is the Fibo, where is the trend line. And tell me, where are you looking to go, short or long?
Yes, but I have this pattern here. Okay, the natural level. And after I need to see the green candle here to put the Fibo because I missed the enter. And I need some green candle to put the Fibo and wait.
Not rush, please, okay? We just try to speak in what already happened.
Okay.
So this happened. So let's put it back high to low, and let's put just one small line on the 7860 and the 61.8.
Mhm.
Okay, let's delete the Fibo. So we have pattern, we have trend line, we have Fibo. Let's go on the smaller time frame. You don't need those lines, you can delete. Okay, so basically now we are talking from this move, okay?
Right.
Quick question, Ben.
Yes?
Do you manage all of this with alerts and alarms or not? Because me, sometimes I don't have time to stay on the screen all
Yes,
day.
of course. You can set, if you have TradingView app, you can set alarm on TradingView, but if you want to use another one, I can prefer to use the call levels.
Yes, I have it. But let's say I have a few alerts for broken trend line, but I don't know, let's say, to put alerts on retested trend lines in a certain way.
You can put a ray on and set a trend line, set an alert on that. There's loads of ways you can do it. Or you can just do certain levels. If you right click on a trend line, you can set an alert on that. If whoever's on, you can do it that way. On the 15-minute, you can set it so you can actually set it. Right click on this trend line that you're on now, or just a trend line, whichever. Instead of deleting them, right click on them. Right.
Let's draw trend line anywhere and click on the trend line. What you drew.
If you right click on a trend line, you can set an alert on a trend line for a bar close and then what time frame. So if it's on the 15 minutes and you want to see that break, so right click on the click
with right button
and then
settings.
So if you see here crossing, and if you click once per bar close,
down.
Now leave it as well, either if you click on the time frame, then it'll send you an alert to your phone. That's what I was getting at.
Okay, say again please, and I'm not drawing it anywhere, just tap for the guy.
Right, so click crossing and then click once per bar close. No, leave it exactly as it is. Leave the top one.
Click on this one, and after let's go.
Trend line, leave it as trend line. And then you see down one. Down. No, as in below once only, once per bar close.
Here is that, just a little bit. Here is it.
No, yeah, exactly.
So if you click that, if you're here, see now the message that'll pop on your phone, it says gold 240 crossing trend line. If you click create, once the price closes below that level, it will ping to your phone. So if you create this on the 15-minute, it will highlight to your phone when it's closed below that trend line on the 15 minutes.
You have to pay for that, don't you?
No.
Okay, cool.
You need normal. You need to pay the trading view. But once per bar close means that it's only when the candle close under the trend line broken, right?
Correct. But also, guys, if this is your tool that you're using it for, so if you're not paying for your tools and you're missing trades because you're not paying for TradingView, you need to have a little think and a word with yourself.
Yeah, but it's not so expensive. So if you want the monthly subscription, I think it's take $12 or $14. So it's worth.
I have the paid one for the year.
So okay.
Yes, 1 year is
can you pay for me?
$87.
Can you pay for me?
No, but I do the money, and after you give me 1%.
Okay, give me some signal and that.
Okay, no problem. I give you.
All right, yeah.
Thanks. I'm rich.
Thanks. It's a good idea. I never use it, but I will have a look.
Okay, may I close this?
Yeah, you can close it and you can delete the. Okay, so the price started pushing to the upside. What are you doing?
Now, the trend line. First, always the trend line.
Okay, what you can find?
Broke the trend line and retest the trend line.
Let's use the things, what you need. And please, if it's possible, just a little bit zoom closer to this scenario.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Let me see. Just one more thing, so you can find it was the pullback to the upside. Let's try to use the FIBO trick. So it looks like it's created the bullish M. FIBO on the third leg, low to high. Okay, what you can find?
Minus 27 here. And I don't know if maybe notice loose here.
Okay.
After
So basically after trend line, counter trend line break, first green candle close, what you can do?
I can put the FIBO.
Delete the other one.
Okay.
Here always was a head and shoulder.
I put the FIBO and I wait. It is the, I think it's the start of week, the last week here.
Yeah, it's gapped up. You're right.
Yeah, but here is the question. Is the question. This week don't touch the trend line. It's because I don't go short. Because I wait the retest to the trend line. You understand?
Yeah, but you know, many times it's don't tap the trend line and it's dropped to the downside very hard. So it's absolutely possible if you drew the trend line, it was the move. It's without bigger pullback to the upside. It's just going straight away and you miss the trade.
Oh, okay.
So basically, you can find counter trend line break, and after bounce 7860 and start pushing to the downside, but it's open with gap.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? You can delete this FIBO and continue.
And if I miss the enter here, I put this FIBO.
No, you need to put somewhere else.
This trend line. What is the final, the last leg, third leg here?
So basically, start pushing to the upside. First green candle closed. First trend line. What is the second one?
Like this?
Okay, what you can find. So counter trend line break. You follow the move with the trend line, and after create the bearish W, and it's create complete with the minus 27.
Minus 27. And yes. I wait the pullback. The pullback broke this trend line.
Correct. Retested.
Retested and go at the big trend line.
All right. Okay. Let's delete now the trend line, counter trend line, and the FIBO, and let's follow this move exactly how we need to follow.
Okay. And now I don't know if I choose this trend line or forget this trend line and put another trend line like this. What is not correct?
Yeah, it is.
Here?
First, you know, same situation. So you can use this one, and we know exactly the huge move happened after this break. And after you can draw another one for the most recently move.
And now I have the pattern, the big pattern. One.
Okay.
Two.
Okay, what is the next step?
Next step. Yeah.
Let's check the FIBO from high to low. Try to figure out where is the price bounced.
Bounce minus 28.
Okay, target. Because we are on the H4. So on this time we need to fix it target.
Sorry.
All right, perfect. Let's use 1488, so round number. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Yeah, you can continue. So that is the place where we are looking to go short. But we need to follow the move with the counter trend line, and after the counter trend line break and retested, we know exactly it will be possible start pushing to the downside, and after the other counter trend line break, we tested after we get the huge moves to the downside. Okay, so that's already on the H4. Let's continue on the H1. So we have H4 target and daily target. Okay, and now what you can find?
Put these people.
Let's zoom just a little bit closer to your chart.
Ugly head and shoulders.
Yeah.
And for
Please
me,
check.
it's
Please check this candle color. This one. It was. I think it was green. I know it's ugly, but you
yes,
see.
it's great.
This is why you need to zoom. Okay, let's
Okay.
adjust it now. The Fibo.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. We have the pattern here.
Okay, so adjusted the Fibo. Yes, correct. It's ugly, but we can find it. What you can find? High to low. That is the 0. Okay, what you can find?
Okay, then here, -27. Okay. It's easy after the market passed, but it's very difficult to put this enter. For me, it's very difficult because if I enter here,
You are
I'm
still
out
right.
here, I'm out here.
You're still right if you take the position from here, if you use the 39 pips. You know, I'm gold, I'm use always 39, just in case.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was the first target, -27 on the H4, and
Yeah.
after we can continue. Okay, so it was the first entry point. You can find, we have everything on the bigger time frame, and also we have everything on the smaller time frame. Okay, let's go on back on the H4 and let's try to find another entry. Okay, counter trend line break retested, the first move happened. What is the first step?
First step, trend line.
Okay, let's do the trend line.
Always. After Fibo, pattern. 1, 2. Sorry.
Check your Fibo.
This Fibo is not good. Here, it's good.
Okay, what you can find?
Base W.
Okay, and check the final move.
It's just.
And lines up with
the H4. The H4 take profit.
Lines up with the H4 -27 also.
7, yeah.
Yeah.
And here, continue is difficult to enter. I can't wait this week.
Okay, let's go back on the H1. Adjusted the trend line now.
No, but the trend line, it's like that. And after we put this counter trend line.
But yeah, you can use this one, yeah. Also
Yeah.
this counter trend line.
They both trick up to it.
Yeah, Fibo 3 close to high. It's minus 68.
18.
It's minus 68. Yes.
Yes.
This situation is really a little bit difficult because we are on the H1 and very difficult to see. But if you let's zoom just a little bit closer to your chart, please. So on this scenario, or this place, sorry.
We see, we see break and retest here.
Yes, you can see the retest.
May I put in the?
Yeah, but it's not looking good. Yeah.
No, it's for you. You are the pro. For me, it's a difficult story.
Yeah.
Ben, can you send the picture of the step by step that you took at the beginning so we can follow with it?
Okay, give me a second. I just drop it now.
Thank you.
Okay, it's in the mentor group.
Thank you.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, it was the move, and now looks like it's rejected on the minus 27 and the minus 68. So this scenario, what's happening? We're waiting for the bigger pullback. Let's adjust the trend line. Okay, let's delete the Fibos, the counter trend line. Keep your chart simple and clean. Unmute your mic.
All right.
Okay, so let's try to figure out what is the next move. Okay, you can use this one, it's true. One more thing missing from your chart. Yes, counter trend line. Okay.
And I wait the price. I don't know, here or maybe this move.
Okay, tell me where are you looking to go short? If everything is moving, how you expecting?
If everything moves.
On which level?
Here, I wait the pullback and after retest. Now I'm go short. Or
okay, so we are waiting basically for the 70 or the 61.80 counter trend line.
No, 618. No, because it's not in this trend line. Oh, 618 only if the market goes here. Like this. Okay. No problem.
Yeah.
Broke the trend line.
If everything is moving how we expecting and it's respecting the 61.80, we not take the short instead. We wait the counter trend line break and retest. But okay, we know exactly the market will be gap with, I think, with huge downside gap. But usually this is how we analyze the things, and this is how we expecting the short position on those two levels. So if the price tap the 78.60, you can take the trade immediately, but more safe if you follow on the smaller time frame, because on this region it's still bullish. So the huge move, I share 100% moved, start to move after this counter trend line break, create the inverse head and shoulders, and drop to the downside.
Yes.
So yeah, basically this is how we waiting for the pullback and achieve the Fibo levels, complete with the trend line and okay. So find the picture in the Telegram groups. So same has happened on goals last week. Yeah. Okay. Have you any questions from gold?
No,
No.
for me it's good.
Okay, you can. Okay, you can stop share your screen.
Benz, can you take a look at GBP NZD for me?
Yes, of course. You are the next. This is what I want. This is why I ask anybody have any question. Okay.
Can I stop?
Yes,
Or
please.
if you want, I can.
Yes, you stop, please. Okay, let's go, Scott. You can share your screen. Are you here, Scott?
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Benz, for the help.
Okay, trading view.
I don't understand, sorry.
You're welcome. Okay, let's go on trading. Thank you.
Okay.
Yo, mute your mic. Come on.
I think it's Scott. He's going to be speaking.
Yeah, there you go. I'm here.
It's not Scott. It's
Hello?
Kunal.
Is that you with people in the background?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, fair enough. Never mind then.
I'm kind of new to this, so obviously just bear with me, okay?
Uh-oh.
All right.
Uh-oh. So what would you like exactly before you start to do anything?
First, before I start, I go to the monthly, and let me clear out the chart, and I'll draw my trend line.
Okay, so now you want to make full analysis.
Right.
Okay, are you sure you know the basic things 100%?
I think so, yeah.
All right, let's see. Okay, what we are looking on the monthly and the weekly? We are looking three things. What is that?
Number one, we're looking at the trend. This is what the trend of the market is.
Okay, second one.
And second one, we're using our fib to measure those pullbacks.
No, it's not correct. What is the second one?
We're using our fib to measure, to figure what our TP1.
No, it's not. It's not correct. What is the second one?
I know we use our trend line, and then we use our fibs.
Not fibs. What is the second one?
Patterns.
Yes, correct.
Pattern, yes.
It's very important. Okay. You know the third one? I sure 100%.
The third one is we use our fibs.
No, first always trend line, second one always pattern, and the third one is the Fibo.
The third one is the Fibo.
Yeah, what level you use on the Fibo? For the direction.
For the direction, we use 61.8 and let me take a look 1 second.
Okay, so basically you are looking the entry point and you are looking the bigger time frame take profit point.
Right.
Okay, that's all. What I want to know, you can continue and you can do the analysis on the chart.
Okay.
But you know, it's very important always repeat myself because this is how you can understand and you can learn.
Thank you. So number one, I start off with the trend line. And number two is the patterns, which is from looking at it, I see a W patterns. I'm embarrassed. Oh my God.
You can use a pencil.
To today is going to be a big learning curve for you.
I show you something. So can you see this pencil button here?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
let's click on it. Let's learn. You want to learn. You want to test. Let's click on the trend line.
Okay.
Let's click here. Move it. Click and move it. Click. Click, move it.
Okay.
Wait, not that quick. Click, move it.
Basically, you can still in drawing mode.
Click, move it. Perfect.
Okay, gotcha.
You can delete, you can continue.
All right.
What a brilliant life. You can learn every day something new.
Oh my God, I feel so embarrassed. All right.
On the pencil again.
So to delete this.
Cancel the pens now.
All right. Let me delete this. All right. Cool. All right. So, I mean. All right. So, trend line. So I'm go right here. All right. There you go. So I have the direction, and now we have the trend line, we have the patterns, right? And the third step is to use our feed tool, right?
Yo, Kuno, mute your mic, man. We don't want to hear that.
And then I use our fib, measure from high to low. So our TP on the weekly is negative 27 and negative 0.68. Am I right so far, Benz?
What is the trend, my friend?
What is what, I'm sorry?
What is the currently trend?
The current trend now is, looking at it, is bullish.
Okay, what is the pattern? What we are looking on the bullish market? What type of patterns?
I'm looking for M.
Okay, and what did you draw?
I drew a W.
Sorry. It's correct.
I drew a W. I'm supposed to be drawing an M. I don't see it. I don't see an M. It looks like a W to me.
No, it's I show you. Okay. On the bullish M, where you need to put the Fibo?
From the lowest point to the highest point.
Which leg? 1, 2, 3, 4.
So put it right here. So this one.
No.
No?
No. On the bullish M, where you need to put? Yes, correct.
Okay.
Third leg, the fourth one is the pull. The fourth one is the pullback, and the fifth one is the final move.
Oh, so from here to here.
Correct. Okay. What can you find now?
Now I'm waiting for the pullback at. So the first TP will be negative 27, and the third one will be negative 68. But I'm waiting for the pullback. We got a first pullback already on the 78.
Okay, so the perfect entry was on the 7860 because on this place you have trend line, you have pattern, you have Fibo connection. So you already know it's turned back on 7860. You just need to put only one thing on the chart.
This thing right here?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are done on the weekly. So on the monthly. What you know from the monthly? What we find?
What I know. Right.
So we find the direction and the monthly take profit. Let's continue.
Right.
Delete the Fibo and let's continue.
I can go ahead and delete the fib from here, right?
Yes, you can delete the Fibo.
Have you seen Ben's? Sorry, Ben's.
Cancel the pencil.
Oh, cancel the pencil. All right.
Have you seen Bence's last 3 videos?
I watched. I have. There's only 2 videos left. I haven't watched. They're like an hour each, but for the most part, I watched most of them already.
So Bence did, the whole reason why Bence is doing these Sunday or whenever videos is to kind of get into the nitty gritty stuff. So the last 2 videos I'd advise to go watch because they're fantastic and it'll probably answer all these questions and help you along quite a bit, I should say.
No, absolutely. I feel like I've never been. This is my first time being on the webinar. I think a little bit of hands-on experience kind of helps. So again, I'm taking this as, you know, obviously story about again, I'm new. I'm just trying to get some experience hands-on with the legend. That's all.
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. Always. We started, so we are finished when you're finished. Okay, let's delete those 2, the horizontal array, and let's delete the Fibo. And now let's try to figure out the move.
All right. So now we're gonna draw our trend line.
You can, I have for you just a little bit with few words. You can draw counter trend line, you can draw trend line, you can find the Fibo, and you can find the pattern. So try to find those 4 things. Okay, how you need to draw the trend line?
The trend,
small definition.
so right now I'm drawing the counter trend line right now.
Yes, how you drew the counter trend line?
From top down, no?
Okay, where did you start your first point?
I started from the wick to the body.
Why?
You say you can't touch. You start from the wick. You can touch.
Top many candles as possible without
Right.
body cut.
And then we could draw one from here.
Correct. We have trend line. We have counter trend line. What is the third step?
The use our Fibo.
Come on. What is the third step?
The third step? Oh, yeah, use the Fibo.
Okay, so basically trend line, counter trend line, 1 step. What is the second step?
The second step, determine the pattern.
Okay. Did you determine what is the pattern?
The pattern right now is a W. Let me determine it.
Sorry, what is the pattern?
The pattern we're supposed. Oh, sorry, 1 second. The pattern I'm seeing right now, looking at this, is this.
What we are looking on the bullish market?
M.
Okay, so what you are looking?
M.
Okay, correct. Try to find M pattern.
M pattern. All right, so I would say.
Where is the last bullish leg?
The last bullish leg is here.
Okay, I'll show you. Where does it start? So the last bullish leg starts from here to here. Try to find the M's.
Okay, got it. So let's be. One, two.
It's not correct. Start from the bottom.
Oh, it's not correct?
No, it's not.
Wow. See, this session really helps.
Delete cancel the pencil again first, and after you can delete.
Interesting, huh?
It's still not correct. I don't know who drew it, but it's still not correct.
Oh, it's the one that you just drew is not correct?
So somebody drew with red lines, but it wasn't correct. So this is the M pattern. What is this? What is the name of the pattern?
Bearish.
Sorry?
I think it's the bearish. Oh,
no, it's not. Nobody write nothing and say, what is that? You want to test? I'm testing you. What is that?
It's an M pattern.
Yes.
So what kind of M pattern is it?
You have 5 types of M. You need to know. I can't help for you, and nobody can. What is that? Just let's have a look. We have 5 type of M. You need to understand how important the pattern. Because each pattern we place the fib on different place. A little bit lower, lower. Let's go downside. A little bit more. Let's go back on your Telegram.
Yeah, I'm going back there.
You not rush. Slowly down. That is it. M's. Let's check. We have those 5. What you can find on the chart?
See, I think it's not this one. It's not this one. It looks like this one.
Okay, let's go. Let's go back and check on the real chart.
We have boom, 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 boom.
Come on, scammers, you can stall on the M's quick.
Is it the bullish M?
Correct.
All right.
Okay, let's escape from Telegram and let's try to put the fib on the correct place.
Okay.
Please tell me on which leg you need to put the fib on the bullish M. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me number. No.
On the third leg.
Yes, correct. The third one and the fourth one is the pullback and the fifth one is the final move. So, where is the third leg start?
The third leg, I already start right here. It starts right here.
Sorry?
The third leg. No. Yeah, I got it. I would start right over here, Benz.
No, it's not correct. Okay, let's use the most easiest way. Let's select the trend lines on the tools. Select the trend line.
Right.
And let's draw the move with the line from the bottom. Please, let's start the move from the bottom. And let's change your line's color.
Change my line color. So this one, change the color to.
Okay, let's change the color red. Okay, and now let's start to draw the move. Pull back. Where is the end? Where is the end of the wick on the pullback?
It's right here. Sorry.
I don't know who drew the green lines, but please delete it.
Right here.
Okay, so I show you the move. Up, down, up, down. So you need to put the fib on the third leg, low to high with the magnet mode.
Oh yeah. I think that's what I did. No, I'm sorry.
No, you don't use the magnet mode and you put the fib on the body and not end of the wick.
Got it.
Let's go on the magnet mode, please. Okay, let's do it exactly what I say. Magnet mode. Cancel the pencil. Let's go on the Fibo. You already selected, so it's a good point. Let's go end of the wick with the magnet mode. Can you see where is the end of the wick?
Yes.
But you are not there. The end of the wick is there. Let's go exactly there.
Okay. Right.
Not the same level, exactly there. Yes, correct. Okay, so let's go. Click with the magnet mode and with the Fibo. End of the wick. Select the Fibo. Okay. And now let's go on the highest point. Okay, and now let's move the top of the Fibo levels on the right side. Okay, now you can cancel the magnet mode. Okay. Please tell me what was the move. You have trend line, you have counter trend line, you have counter trend line break retest, and you have pattern and Fibo level.
Right. They retested at 61.8 and then to 100%, and then the next target move is at negative 27, 2.03167.
Yes, correct. So let's put it there. Horizontal ray. So it will be the weekly target. Okay, let's delete the Fibo and the red lines. Okay.
Wow, got a lot to learn. All right.
Okay, so basically now you need to adjust the trend line. So before this trend line it's not break, it's still possible to continue to the upside. So it's bullish now. Please tell me again the definition for the trend line because you not keep it. Okay, perfect. So what we are waiting now, if you want to go?
I'm waiting for a pullback.
Okay, what do you think about what is the pattern, what will be create maybe?
The pattern is we're looking for a W pattern.
Sorry?
But to get a pullback, we need a W. Is that correct? To get a pullback?
Yeah, but we are looking the M's, still looking them. So, you know, that is the previous high. So possible now the price pushing back to the downside, but what we need to...
For a bearish candle, a red candle.
Yes, correct. After the bearish candle closed, what you need to do?
We use our people to measure the retracement.
Okay, so basically I am the market maker. So it will be the first red candle. What you need to do?
I'll use my Fibo from here and connect the magnet to here, from here to, and then to here.
Please click exactly on the wick.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Or just on the same level.
All right, right here. Click on the wick. Got it. Start. Fibo. Magnet. Fibo.
Okay, so what do you think about what
So
will be happening?
I'm waiting for pullback to the 0.618, which lined up perfectly with the trend line. And once that pullback occurs, then I can go ahead and go along and take it to -27.
Yeah. Okay, but I am the market maker. So I'm start pushing the price to the downside. And it is just tap the 50, but it doesn't tap the trend line and the Fibo. What you need to do?
I would use a trend line.
Okay, let's draw the trend line on the red lines.
I would start from. How do I trend line? Let's see if I do it like this. I would do. How do I trend line on this one? Yeah, for me, I'm a little lost on this one, Ben. I would probably do this.
Okay, so you need to draw the counter trend line on the top, and we know exactly it is the 61.80, but the trend line is higher and it's on the 50, and the counter trend line break retested, it's create the head and shoulder. So if this scenario happen, we take the long position here, and not on the 61.80. But now I can tell you the correct answer at the moment, but we are definitely wait for the first red candle, and after bigger pullback to the downside.
Vince, first of all, I want to thank you so much for this little bit of insight. Tells me I got a lot of work to do. I got to get on a flight. Boarding starts already. I just wanted to take a second out of time to flight to kind of.
Oh, yeah, all right. It's absolute fine. No worries. You are on the right way. Not rush. A little bit. Stay more patient. You need to understand the most basic things. It's really important. So you know it's similar on the real life. You want to run, but you can't walk. Is it possible?
No.
So first you need to pick up the knowledge. You need
Sounds
to know how you need to use, and after you can kill the fucking market, but not before.
Sounds good, man. Appreciate you
Okay,
so much.
let's practice just a little bit, and after when you feel like you are ready for the real test, on one-on-one with me, just text me.
All right, sounds good, man. Appreciate you so much, man.
Take care. Have a safe flight.
Thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Ciao.
All right, ciao.
Yes, I have a question, please.
Yes. Tell me.
When the market broke the downtrend line, down counter trend line, and do the head and shoulders, invest under the shoulders, it's more safe to wait the pattern, M pattern, and after take the long no in the first pullback. You understand?
Give me just a second. Can you see the guy's screen?
You.
Scott, can you stop share your screen? Okay. So what was your question? Say again,
Yes.
please.
Sorry. I draw into this.
Try to share your screen and show me there.
No. It's, you draw this trend line, okay? This counter trend line, and after the move.
I can't see anything.
No?
No.
I draw here in the, okay, but I put in my screen.
Guys, can you see anything?
see?
Because I can see the...
You see my screen?
No, I only see Scott's.
Yeah.
You see my screen?
Give me just a second. Can you see my screen?
I share my screen, sorry. No.
It says you start sharing your screen, but it's not showing up.
Yeah, it's...
Oh, wait. Guys, can you go on view options and then click Delicium, I think that's how you pronounce it? It'll give an option to view the screen.
It's funny because it's text me, you have stopped to Scott, but it's not working.
Yeah, it seems to be disappeared.
Yeah, it doesn't work for me. I can't switch.
Okay. Try to ask the question slowly. So basically, what I can see on the chart is still the GBP and ZD chart. And what is the question?
Yeah, and I draw in this chart. Okay?
I can't see anything, so it's frozen.
You see now?
No, it's frozen.
Oh.
Can you request share your screen again because it came up with your name.
I did.
No,
can you see my screen?
And you see.
Yeah, I can see it, Bance. You need to tell people to click view options, and then it will give you a list of people that you want to see on the screen.
Yeah, I can see yours now, Bench. You stop sharing again. So when Bench shares, if everybody clicks view options, like you just said, and then down to Bench, it comes up. So share your again, Bench, and then we'll have to click across.
I do it.
Yeah, so if you click view options, and then it's got two shared screens. So Scott's still shared. If you click on Bench, it goes across. That's better.
Yeah, I can see yours now, Bance.
All right.
I see your desktop. Yes.
GBP and ZD. Okay. I think it was... Okay, so what was the question?
Yeah, the question is...
Wait, I think we was on the daily.
The question is, it's more safe to UEFTS, okay, sorry, and wait the pattern, create and complete, and after enter. No, create and after enter to do the trade. You say enter in the head and shoulders, okay? Here. If you have standard shoulders.
Yeah.
That is more safe, wait, complete. Here and enter here, no?
Okay, so basically
You
now,
understand?
not really. So, you know, the bigger picture now, it looks like ready to go to the downside, but you can draw the trend line from here.
Wait the pattern, do the pullback and enter.
Yeah, but so, you know, the momentum was really strong. So I think still possible now. It's making bigger pullback. And you can find here is the strong strategic level. And if I put the Fibo from low to high, you can find it's very close to the 61.80. But of course, the bigger picture, so the daily trend line, it's still far from the currently price. So I think it will be pushing.
Spence, why don't you put
here.
the 0 at the top? You put the 23.6.
Oh, sorry. You're right. Okay, so yeah, you can find here is the 61.80. So it's possible it's create the inverse head and shoulder, and after it's continue to the upside. But we definitely need to follow the move because, you know, the trend line is very far from the currently price, and I think possible it's make some pullback, but on the 1.97. So we need to follow the move with the counter trend line, and if it starts still pushing to the downside, that is the first place where we are looking to go long. But if the counter trend line is break a little bit higher or much higher, we need to continue with the trend to the upside, and it will be the next target. Yeah.
Would you, because the Fibonacci is quite big, would you still use the same stop loss sizes?
You know, GBP it's extremely volatility pair, but you know, on the smaller time frame, I use the same stop loss, of course. 39 and 25.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, guys, have you
So
any question?
The only time you change your stop loss is only solely for US 30.
Yeah, I'm use always on go 39 pips for the stop loss. I'm stopped to share my screen, and on US 30 between 50 and 100 pips. Yeah, it depends. I'm open the trade on the 78, 60 or on the 61.80.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, have you any question?
For me, it's good.
Okay, I told you I just want to talk a little bit from the drawdown, and you know, it's a really difficult things because many times the trade go against everybody. But trust me, if you use the money management, you don't need to scare to anything because we know exactly the loss is part of the forex. But with money management and good risk reward, we know exactly end of the week, end of the month, we need to finish in profit. So it doesn't matter. I open the trade. On the 61.80, I'm use the 39 pips for the stop loss. If it's go against me, I'm just wait, the stop loss hit. I think I share 100%. So you have two scenario what happened with you in the past. And I think the first one is the worst, so I'm start with the other one. So I think one of the things what I sure 100% happened with you, the price started pushing to you had some pips profit, and after the price start to go against you, it started to continue to the downside. It was close to your stop loss, maybe 5-10 pips, and you closed the trade. After what happened? Most of the time, I sure 100% it's went on the right direction.
That happened with me.
Yes.
Yeah, and I know exactly because it happened with me many times. Few times it was 1-2 pips from my stop loss, and after it's exploded to the upside. So yeah, it's fucking crazy things. But I think this is the this is the maybe a little bit better scenario than the other one. The other one, you use the 39 pips for the stop loss, and what you're doing, you just always push so the price go against you, and you just always move your stop loss a little bit lower with 5 pips.
Yes.
How many times happened with you this time?
A lot.
Yeah, and after, from the 39 pips stop loss, you had 50 or more bigger.
Yes.
So yeah, trust me, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to scare from the drawdown. You need to move the stop loss with the right numbers, and you trust in yourself. If you stopped out, you don't need to be greedy. You just need to turn the eyes and take another other opportunity.
Yes, may I do speak something? My little experience is when you put the trade, forget the trade and go out, and a few hours later after see the trade, it's better.
Yeah, but you know, sometimes other people, it's a little bit difficult to control the feelings, but trust me guys, the key is the fucking money management, because nobody perfect. I'm lost many times too, but with the good risk reward and with the money management, I'm always finished in profit.
How many times you lost in the trades?
It's very difficult to answer because I'm not calculating exactly, but my win ratio, it's up to 60, so up between 60-70. But you know, it depends. I can tell you exactly because one of the week I'm just open 5 trade and the other one 7 and sometimes maybe 10. So I can tell you exactly. But next week I'm recording everything and I will show you what trade I'm trade and how I do it and how I finished. So you can scare from this one. This is why I do it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys, have you any question? All right, it was the practice Sunday today. I'm come back tomorrow, 10 a.m. UK time zone, and let's try to find nice opportunities in the upcoming week. Let's make some money.
Thank you, boss.
Take care, guys. Not
Thank you,
rush
Ben.
with the first
Thank you.
trade.
Thank you.
Have a lovely
Ben.
evening or have a nice
Take
day.
it easy, compa.
See you guys. Ciao. Bye.
Adeus,
Bye,
amigo.
love.
Yeah, good night.
Ciao.